Elevate your home's curb appeal. Innovative facade ideas featuring artificial stone. When it comes to enhancing the exterior of your home, the facade plays a crucial role in creating a lasting first impression. One of the most impactful ways to transform your house's appearance is by incorporating an artificial stone facade. Not only does this option provide a stunning visual appeal, but it also offers a range of advantages, including durability and low maintenance. Let's explore some exciting and fun home exterior ideas that can inspire you to revamp your property with stone siding. Embrace modern house exteriors with artificial stone. Modern architecture often embraces clean lines and minimalist designs, which can be beautifully complemented by the textured look of an artificial stone facade. Consider using large stone panels to create a striking contrast against smooth surfaces like stucco or wood. This combination can give your home a contemporary edge while maintaining a warm, inviting feel. Creative facade designs for individuality. Your home should reflect your unique style. With the versatility of artificial stone, you can experiment with various creative facade designs. Mix different stone types and colors to create an eye-catching patchwork effect, or use artificial stone to frame windows and doors, enhancing their architectural features. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to tailor your home's exterior to showcase your personal flair. Stone siding inspiration for classic and timeless looks. If you lean towards a more traditional aesthetic, stone siding can provide a classic look that stands the test of time. Utilize artificial stone to create a charming farmhouse vibe or a rustic cottage feel. Incorporating decorative stone ideas like stone arches or accent walls can further enhance this classic appeal, making your home feel both inviting and elegant. Budget-friendly home upgrades. Revamping your home's exterior doesn't have to break the bank. Artificial stone facades offer a budget-friendly alternative to natural stone, allowing you to achieve a high-end look at a fraction of the cost. Whether you opt for a full exterior makeover or simply add stone accents, this material can deliver significant impact without compromising your budget. Explore unique facade styles. Each home has its own character, and the facade is an excellent place to express that individuality. Explore unique facade styles by combining artificial stone with other materials like metal, wood, or glass. This eclectic approach not only enhances your home's curb appeal, but also sets it apart from others in the neighborhood, making a bold statement. Transforming your home's exterior with an artificial stone facade opens up a world of creative possibilities. From modern house exteriors to timeless classic looks, the versatility of artificial stone allows homeowners to explore fun home exterior ideas that reflect their personal style. With budget-friendly home upgrades and unique facade styles, you can create an inviting and aesthetically pleasing environment that truly resonates with you. Consider these ideas as a starting point to rock your house's look and elevate its curb appeal today.